So.
If you could describe this festival in just one word, what would it be? Wonderful.
Inspired. Freedom.
Yeah, it's fun.
Inspired.
It's a good time. That was two.
Adventure?
Yes, absolutely. It's worth to come to experience this. As I say, it's not just about dancing; it's about life through the steps of tango.
Just how unique it is, really. The whole kind of combination of companionship at the hostel and then really interesting workshops.
I liked actually the way it was presented of not being only just this classical tango, but it being something more. And I also like the fact that there were some workshops, some additional workshops that did not directly only talk about tango, but also about self-experience and exploration and nature, some combination between.
If you would like to try something new, come with an open mind, open hearts, and just let yourself go.
Without you, I can't live.